ASNT-VT Level 3 Refresher Course by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Visual testing is the oldest, most fundamental and one of the most widely applied non-destructive testing methods. It serves as the first line of defense in quality assurance and asset integrity management across industries including oil and gas, petrochemical, power generation, aerospace, manufacturing, construction, and infrastructure. To support experienced NDT professionals preparing for ASNT Level 3 renewal or recertification, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers the ASNT VT Level 3 Refresher course online. This course is specifically designed to refresh technical knowledge, reinforce Level 3 responsibilities, strengthen practical understanding, and improve examination readiness. In this video, we will discuss the course objectives, technical contents, syllabus, reference books, and benefits of joining this comprehensive refresher program. Why visual testing is important? Visual testing is often the first and most economical inspection method used before applying other NDT techniques. VT is used throughout manufacturing, welding fabrication, pressure vessel construction, pipeline systems, structural steel fabrication, aerospace components, power plants, oil and gas facilities, in service inspection. Effective visual examination can identify surface cracks, corrosion, misalignment, weld defects, surface discontinuities, mechanical damage, coating defects, dimensional deviations. Therefore, competent Level 3 professionals play a critical role in ensuring product quality and code compliance. Now, course objectives. The ASNT VT Level 3 Refresher course provides focused revision of essential visual testing topics. Participants will strengthen their understanding of fundamentals and principles, vision and lighting, equipment and accessories, direct and remote visual techniques, dimensional measurements, interpretation and evaluation, procedures and documentation, human factors, safety and health. The course helps professionals maintain competence and confidence for ASNT Level 3 examinations. Now, fundamentals of visual testing. Participants review the fundamental principles of visual testing. Topics include vision and light, understanding human vision, color perception, contrast sensitivity, visual acuity, illumination requirements. Now, ambient conditions. Inspection results are influenced by light intensity, reflection, surface contamination, temperature, accessibility. Test object characteristics. Factors include surface finish, material type, shape and geometry, surface roughness, reflectivity. Understanding these factors improves inspection reliability and repeatability. Equipment and accessories. Visual inspection requires proper equipment selection. Participants study magnifiers and microscopes, which are used for detailed examination of discontinuities. Mirrors allow inspection of inaccessible areas. Boroscopes provide remote examination inside tubes and confined spaces. Video systems permit image recording and documentation. Machine vision systems improve automated inspection processes. Replication materials used to preserve surface conditions for evaluation. Temperature indicators monitor heat sensitive applications. Chemical aids support crack detection and cleaning. Surface comparators assist in assessing roughness and profile. Lasers applied for alignment and dimensional measurements. The course reviews selection, application, and limitations of these tools. Now, visual testing applications. Visual testing is used in numerous applications including raw materials, inspection of blades, forgings, castings, and bars, primary processing materials, surface condition and dimensional verification, joining processes, inspection of welds, bridge joints, soldered components, fabricated components, evaluation of assemblies and structures, in-service components, detection of corrosion, erosion, wear, fatigue damage, coatings, assessment of coating conditions and defects. These applications are critical for quality assurance and reliability. Techniques and calibration. Participants review direct visual testing using unaided vision or magnification, remote visual testing using boroscopes, gyroscopes, cameras, robotic systems, dimensional measurements including depth, width, length, diameter, sampling and scattering techniques, systematic methods to ensure complete coverage, calibration concepts, verification of measuring instruments, optical systems, video systems, light intensity. Proper calibration ensures inspection accuracy and repeatability. Interpretation and evaluation. C. Interpretation is one of the most important Level 3 responsibilities. Participants review variables affecting inspection results like lighting conditions, means intensity and angle of illumination, surface finish, means smoothness and reflectivity, material characteristics like color, texture and geometry, discontinuity characteristics, shape, depth, width and orientation, human factors, fatigue, experience and perception. This course covers identification and evaluation of cracks, undercut, overlap, porosity, corrosion, surface damage, coating defects, dimensional deviations. Evaluation is performed according to applicable acceptance criteria and specifications. Now, procedures and documentation. Level 3 personnel are responsible for procedure development, review and approval, written instructions, documentation. Now, reporting methods. Participants learn how to prepare procedures that define equipment requirements, lighting conditions, acceptance criteria, inspection sequence, reporting formats. Proper documentation ensures traceability and compliance with quality systems. Now, safety and health. Safety is essential during visual inspections. Topics include working at height, means safe use of ladders and platforms. Confined space inspection means hazard recognition and control. Lightning hazards means protection against excessive illumination. Inspection environment means awareness of hot surfaces and moving equipment. Personal safety means proper use of PPE and safety practices. The course emphasizes maintaining safe inspection conditions for personnel and facilities. Now, reference books. Training is based on internationally recognized references. HNT Level 3 Study Guide, Visual Testing 2nd edition, HNT Level 2 Study Guide, Visual Testing Method 2nd edition, Visual Testing Classroom Training Book, HNT Questions and Answer Book, VT 2nd edition, Quick Reference Method Cards, NDT Handbook Volume 9, Visual Testing 3rd edition, Relevant Discontinuities, Visual Testing, Materials and Processes for Anti-Technology 2nd edition. These references provide excellent preparation for HNT Level 3 examinations. Now, who should attend? This course is ideal for HNT VT Level 3 candidates, Level 2 and Level 3 professionals, QA/QC engineers, welding inspectors, NDT engineers, mechanical engineers, production engineers, metallurgists, asset integrity engineers, RVI inspectors. Now, course schedule. Course dates 2nd July 2026 to 28 July 2026. Every month on same dates. Duration 40 hours. Mode online through Zoom. Timings 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST India time. So this is HNT VT Level 3 pretty class also. Those who want to be certified, want to clear the exam of HNT VT Level 3, they can also register for this course. At last conclusion, refresh your technical knowledge, strengthen your Level 3 responsibilities and prepare confidently for HNT VT Level 3 recertification with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile / WhatsApp number is +91 73 59 45 8455. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, delivering excellence in NDT, inspection, engineering, certification and technical training worldwide. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on NDT, welding inspection, quality assurance and industrial training. Thank you.